Yo, what's up, people? I don't know if anyone is watching. What the hell is this word? I don't know what. Like, if someone else here, please enjoy the stream. And also like the stream if you are here. Okay, so I was testing some stuff yesterday related to Blenderbox. And what I have concluded here is let's see, that yesterday we was trying to use this script and this script because of the pawn tool or the dependency, it wasn't working perfectly. So the like go through from here is, let me put this over charge, that we can set up a environment, Python environment, where we can install and temper the files with, and it will be like it will remain everything in that specific directory or specific area, so it won't cause the other places any sort of commotion or destruction. So that's another way we can use, cause ouch. And Python 2 has been also deprecated, so there will be some problem, and by the time when you guys will see that there are like dependencies by the time which are getting deprecated, and because of that there will be so many tools that won't work after some time, and that's the very reason why some scripts don't work. And that is the very reason why I create the scripts into the bash, because bash don't need any sort of dependency unless you are using some external tool. Other than that, there is no dependency in the bash scripts. So with that keeping in my mind, I created this script, and let me just give me a second. I'll ask GPT to create a readme for this. I added the comments here, and let me ask if it can create a readme for me. Create readme.md for me for this script. Let's refurbish of this script, and in this script means we will be copying this cat paste, and we'll provide it this my script below, enter. So once it create a readme for me, then we are good. Now the problem here will be that we won't be able to provide the list of users here. It'll ask for the static user. It seems it didn't create the proper readme. Let's ask one more time. This time it might create a proper one. There we go. Now we will update the readme here. We don't need to customize the credit description. Who cares about that? Yeah, it's only for the educational purpose. Remove this. And we will put our name here with the 0xttc. Damn. And bash brute force.sh. No, this is not the name. The name is the CV itself. So we will update that too. Copy the CV. Paste this. Paste this. Although it didn't highlight, we also need to provide the permissions. Run the script usage. Provide the execution permissions. And for that, bash chmod plus x, the script name, enter. There we go. Now we have it here. Parameter has been mentioned. Bash, pretty good. Flow, etc. And what remains? Markdown, we can remove this. Readme, we can remove this. And do you guys find anything that's lacking over here? Cause I'm not able to find anything lacking though. Limitations can be there, credit can be there. Refurbish by this. Built in bash. Boom. And with this, we will, which script is this? Secure web PHP regex pull. I don't remember anything, but put all sort of changes and add build brute force. This is updated this and push. There we go. Refresh. What the hell? It's taking time. It got pushed, right? No. This is really weird. Okay, now it got committed. Let's see. And there we go. We have another script here. And we forgot one thing. Let's go here. Double tap. Oh, I see. What's this about? Most probably related to the add-on that I made. We'll show it shortly. cloud this. Yep, it's all me. Okay, we'll go here and cold fusion, readme, and this remained. Paste, close this, get here, go all the way down, and save. And this is okay. There we go. Add this and push. Boom. We have another script sitting here. Now that we have it, we will clear this out. And one more thing that I did today when I woke up, I check for like total, like not even total. I was checking for all sort of places. For example, if I'll tell you, like this pass file, I was using like all the word lists here. If we'll go user share seclist password, and as you can see there are many. So I tried a variety of it, but didn't got the credentials, and it was damn hard. So what I did, clear, I started looking for the script which can pull the word list from the website itself. I thought there might be a password in the website itself. So what I did, tool to fetch a word list from the web page, 4 tools, there was one, and there we go. This is a tool that I'll be using, civil, and if you see over here you'll see the command CE. There we go. So now I'll put this into the pass, and what it will do, it's gonna search. Let's open the link. Damn spike. Don't you dare die on me. 40%, like 70% usage. Shit. So it's gonna check all of these strings and create a word list out of it. And if you see, clear, shit. And let me copy this. This is a new tool that I never used before. Create a custom word list. So we will add this too in here to check the, not to check, to get the password. I checked around multiple word list in checklist, and also tried to use rockq.txt, but either it break the script or nothing in the word list. So I Google for the tool that can create word list from the web page itself. And I found this tool, which is can you program? Partially, I am not a fully programmer, but I do. And most of the time I take, not most of the time, but half of the time I take support from the ChatGPT or like debugger tools, so they can help me with understanding the concept, like what's going on, and if there is something missing in the script or there is any sort of edit required in the script. So yeah, I do partially program. Programming is not my strong suite also, but I can read what's written in the code. And I'm thinking to get a subscription of one of the platform, but those platforms are damn costly. But if I ever get, I'll share the content over here too. Just waiting when I'll reach 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, then maybe I'll start sharing here. But I won't be able to share it in open because of the copyright and other stuff. So those are going to remain in some one place. Okay, we have the pass and we have got the list ls. So we'll do, and it's the same script that I just pushed over the GitHub. So if I'll just use the same stuff, enter, and there we go. Let's wait for it till it finds the password. Like I always say, I prefer the bash over any other language. Reason is because if you're using some sort of dependency, for example, if you're using the Python, you are dependent on some library, and like you don't know which, yes, bash, shell scripting, or you can say it's a bash or shell scripting. Let's say this, because they don't need any sort of dependency unless you're using third-party tool in between. Let me show you the example. Like if we take this script, never thought about just sticking to bash. I kind of just assume I should get good with Python. I'm still new. Yeah, like I said, it is all up to you, whichever suits you best. But the only backlash I feel that using the other programming languages is, for example, even if you're using like for example, damn, I'm forgetting the names, Java or Python or Go language, or what other languages are there which we can use for scripting, Perl, Ruby. If there is any language that is using some sort of dependency, you don't know when that dependency will be going away, right? But in Bash, you're using the pure logic here. You're using the like your own variables. You're using the tools directly rather sticking or using the any sort of dependency in it. Do you mostly get things done with just the Linux shell scripts? Yeah, that's the only place I go. If you check my profile, I'm not sure if it shows which language I use most, but if you see over here in the repositories, you will see only shell is mentioned over here. Shell, 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 everything is green. There will be one or two repository where you'll see that I have used Python. For example, this git hack, this is not mine. I just like forked it from the actual user, and whenever I need it, I use it. Then side stuff, shell, malicious URL checkers, shell, CTF private, shell, GraphQL. I tried to use a shell over here, but it wasn't that successful, so I had to go to the Python. So this is another one. Then again, shell, TypeScript. I was creating the portfolio, so there's a TypeScript, and it wasn't mine created, it was created by someone else. And over here the Python, cause I was learning Python from this guy Nicole, so that's where I was storing all the questions answer. As you can see, the challenges over here, I was just solving the challenges. Here's the first challenge, ask the user, and I added what was the solution here is. So yeah, yes, PowerShell I'm familiar with, but I never scripted in it. Yes, I'm thinking to go there also. Not right away, but soon I'll try that too. And to be honest, right now I am pretty into this. Season 7 is about to start, and I can't go there and I can't stream that cause I don't have damn enough subscriber, and there is still a long way to go. Let me show you what's the progress right now I have over my channel. I don't know if it is worth it or not. I am still too far behind just to get something. Even if I'll just want to start the membership, it's still gonna take like $3,000, and I'm only around here. So there is so much I can't share over the with 10 years, are you trying to get security job? I'm already doing the job. I am employed, brother. I'm working for company. That's why I started sharing stuff. Whenever I have time, I started sharing stuff, and I'm trying to learn something new out of my comfort. Yes, I'm doing the red teaming stuff. Okay, script I'll already shown you. Let's see what's the progress over this. Yes, you can say I'm a professional penetration tester, but the professional nowadays means you need to have a certification in your hand if you want any job. Like, for example, if I ever thought about switching from the current company I'm working for, I need at least one certification which has a good like SEO in the tools like HR tools, where my like my resume can be highlighted. Nowadays, the market is for the people those who have certs are for impressions, but without certs, no one is gonna look at your resume. You will be, if there are 10 peoples and 6 of skill does matter. I'm not saying skill doesn't matter. Skill does matter. I'm just saying if you are like, if you're sitting in a room where total are 10 people and 6 of them has certifications, and on other hand you don't have that, you will be under those 6 people. You never will be above those 6 people until unless you will show them what you got, and you will be able to show them only when you'll get your turn. And nowadays it's pretty hard to get that turn without the certain recognition, and that recognition nowadays are either your colleague recommend you somewhere, or some other who can refer, or if you have certain certification that can highlight your resume over the graphs. And that's the truth. It's not me saying. If you ask, I'm not sure, like, bro, from which country you're from? Shahid Shiban. I hope I pronounce your name correct. Okay. From India itself. Okay, nice. I'm from here too. Like, interview invitation technique is also a like weird place to sit in. It is hard, like, to be in plain, it is hard to get job nowadays. And the third reason is the recession. Like, companies are cutting their employees left and right. Yeah, I know you must have watched the video of one of the comedian, if I remember correctly, and I think I know which one you're referring to. So, like, if you ever do this before interview and you say this in interview or in even afterwards, you are in the like legal scene, man. And legal or security person, it is like similar to like 20 years sentence for the jail or something. Okay, next question. If you're working as a penetration tester, do you really think you wouldn't be able to get similar role without certs, even with professional experience? Like I said, professional experience does matter. Even if you put like 5 years of experience, 7 years of experience, that doesn't mean anything to front person. If, like I said, I have 10 years of experience, correct? I am in this field since 10 years, but I got job pretty recently, like 2.5 years back. My experience will be considered only like these 2.5 years of experience. They won't consider what I have done in the past. And there are portion of my life where I can't share like what I have done in the past. So yeah, this is the another reason why you can't get without getting certifications. But yeah, if you have that good of a portfolio that you can show that I am the best you can get, then definitely you will get your job also. But in future, I'm trying to get more of an independent than be a dependent on some company and some other stuff. And that's only does like 40% of what I want to do and what I'm doing. But my most of the interest is I need to learn new every now and then and share with people what I have learned so far. That's why I started doing the lives. Okay, man, so much is popping up and I'm missing over my machine. Just give me a second. Let me copy paste and note this what I have done here. Also, there is exploit. Will use to brute force the password of this service. Okay. I'm assuming because you're already penetration tester, certs are useless unless you're trying to work for government. No, even if you look for the MNC, it is pretty challenging. Like, let me show you something. Although I'm not sure if it's worth it or not. Let's see if this is a talent and job. Do I have any other platform? I don't know when I bookmarked this, but there was one time I was looking for stuff here and there. Okay, so here's something for you. Penetration tester. Go all the way down. Possess technical skill appropriate for large, complex, specialized area with industrial like related qualifications. Example, CEH Security Plus. Example. Got it. And they should know like bit of this stuff, so you will be able to get in there. Let's see how much experience they are asking for. More than 1 year of experience. So basically they are looking for the freshers. Programming language like scripting language, PowerShell, Python, or both. And I don't use both, I use Bash. Knowledge security, including Nessus, Nito, and other stuff. I have pretty, like, I have grasped this knowledge pretty well. And this is one. Let's check the other company. Let's check the Deloitte. What other company would like to check? The engineering group, penetration tester, junior penetration tester. Let's check all these. And this is not even in Indian websites. See, relevant certification, CEH, OSCP, CREST are a plus, but this plus goes down when the person who is actually has this plus get the first seat. And again, same relevant qualifications, OSCP, CREST, R plus is just in the name it says a plus, but they actually care about this plus. Again, CEH, OSCP, CISSP. I don't even know like why they need the CISSP on the first place. This CISSP is like a CISO level standard certification. If they're going to mock this level of certification, I don't know what the hell they're like doing with other certs. Let's see what they're asking. There we go. Working, learning, European. There we have Black Hat conference and stuff. And I'm thinking this is for the speaker. And this is all technical stuff can be acquired, deeply technical security certification, GSE, I don't know what these ones are. OSCP is here too. See? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's for the GRC level, and it's for the CISO level certifications, and they're like looking those kind of certification to the junior they want to hire. Like, what the hell? The sad thing about is like hunting a job is the HRs don't have, I don't say they don't have a brain, but they don't have the knowledge relevant to the field. For example, if you are looking for the security jobs, you will find everywhere like they are requiring some sort of certification somewhere all the time. You are junior and they're expecting the OSCP from you. Like, that certification is for junior level or maybe above that, but they're expecting that. They're expecting the CEH. They're expecting the, I don't know what. So like, I don't blame the people around here, but HR need to sharpen their knowledge like related to the field, on which level they need what sort of certification when they put this kind of stuff in the market. And when they do put this stuff in the market, they need to work around like who to prioritize and why to prioritize. Even if someone has the certification like pretty recent and has the 4 or 5 years of experience, that person should get priority over the other one. And there are people, those who have like 1 or 2 years of experience and they are holding the OSCP already. They don't get that sort of prioritization on the first place, right? So this is pretty messed up over the HR side, I would say, rather the employee side or the manager side or some other side. Okay, I got some other messages. Let's see what they are saying. Guys, you don't like the stream, right? Drop the like, man. I'm expecting to reach somewhere and you guys are not even supporting. Damn. Okay, let's see what's the other thing to say. I'm planning to buy the OffSec all-in-one pack during the 3rd year of college and get the OSCE3 and all basic certs. See, even you are making them the basic certs. Like, who is going to expect them as a like some sort of trade certs if you are saying those are the basic certs? Like, then you are saying that for the junior level the CISSP is for the junior level, right? The certification actually need a pretty good segregation where like which level need what certification. They need to put a barrier in that. If you're getting that certification already, then you need to be in that position. If you're already getting the CSSP, then go for the damn GRC position or like CISO position already. Why are you like lurking into the junior position and team lead stuff? Doesn't make sense. Till then, I'll learn from leaks of courses. Well, we are in same boat, man. I thought Security Plus wasn't really a penetration cert. Isn't CEH and OSCP the gold standard for penetration test? This is like for the junior level and the entry level certs. Damn, I'm having itching in my back. Yeah, this is the junior level and like fresher level certs, and I would say people should get those. And next, do you think if someone had CVs and they don't have certs, they could get hired? Like I said, even if you have CVs, you need to show that. But tools, those are getting used by HRs, the reviewers, those who reviews the resumes. They don't always know like what those CVs are and the other stuff. And I actually have seen these things. So yes, something somewhere every time lags. Bro, I'm not considering it basic. Do you feel close to being able to get the OSCP? I have good enough experience. I can get the OSCP, but right now I'm just like running through what I have found over the internet and see if there is something that I don't know about, and if there is something I can learn new. And I'm also writing my own database where from I can fetch these stuff quickly, because when you're giving exam like kind of OSCP, it is not about how much you know, it is about speed. Like you need to gather information while you're doing the like hacking or bashing this machine side by side. So that's why you need to make your speed, and I'm trying to craft my own list of commands where I can just click copy paste, change the IP address, and boom, it's running right there. And I'm also writing scripts for myself which might be able to help me in one way or another. For example, I was writing a tool for the what's that Redis. I haven't seen any tool related to the Redis. If someone wants to contribute in it, always welcome. So I was writing this to check if there is any sort of web shell we can put in there. We can dump the database from there, or we can inject any sort of SSH key in there. All we just need is to trigger the netcat listener. That's it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, let's read what next. Believe me. Okay, I'll believe you, bro. Hiring someone with a cert or with okay, this one I have read. I think CPTS by Hack the Box is one of the best cert one could get, but it is not that known in the industry right now. Correct. Or maybe not correct. I have seen the comparison. People do say that CPTS is far superior than the OSCP, but it always goes down to the same rabbit hole. Like right now I'm preparing for the OSCP, so once I'll get the OSCP, then but before giving the OSCP, I'll try to give the CPTS so I can create a comparison between them and give my honest review, like give honest feedback to you guys, like which platform lacks. So yeah, it's in progress. How long have you been using Hack the Box? Have you tried Try Hack Me? Yes, before this Hack the Box I was using the Try Hack Me, and there we go. Let's go there. Here you can see my rank. I'm already master here. I have like solved quite many questions, but now they have added so much new stuff, so I don't have that much of money right now, so I can spend on these subscriptions. So I'm waiting for you guys to support me on this channel so I can get something, and while I am getting something, I should be able to distribute something to you guys also. Boom. So yes, room ranking, no streak anymore. Total room completes. I have completed total 101. And I have 17 badges. So this is my skill graph chart, you can see. What do you think about this? "24 minutes left." Okay, let's get back to the box. Where was we? Let's check this last one. Even if you are looking this stuff in the other language, you can still clearly see what certification they are asking for. Man, this is probably the German. Translate to English. Detect the language. Which language is it? Is this a German? I think that was a German. And here, what they're looking for, entry level and the junior level. And for that, they're looking for the damn CISSP level certification, man. Who gonna tell the HR this certification is not for the damn junior entry level kids? Sure, anytime. I'm sitting here. Shoot. Whoa. Okay, so we have got the password. I think I'll fix this later on. Ouch, there is so much to fix. Like this portion itself need a fixation. Now that we have the password, what else need to be next? Now that we have got the password, let's check if we can use this pass to log in over the web page or try SSH with the same. Let's try the SSH first. SSH. Username at this IP address. Password. Copied. And if I remember correctly, we don't have port 22 open, right? Yes, we don't have. So SSH doesn't make any sense. Clear this. The only way is by going through it. By going through the as that's the only way we have to compromise the machine. So now that we have it, let's check what we can do. Metasploit stuff, we will be using it, but not right now. So far we have got the information like username, application name, and version. To get the password, I checked around multiple tools, used in the list and some others. There is exploit available for this. What we say, framework. And for the given version, which can brute force the password using the word list. And in the exploit, we're gonna put our script, cause I find that better than the others. And let's copy the CVE. And make it bold like this. This look cool. Ouch, my neck. I don't know how can I track what sort of progress is going over at my channel. It should be here. There we go. So let's check if we can log in over the platform admin using the given username and the password. We'll capture this and put this here, copy, paste, remember me in Symfony, login, and we are in. In. Let's see if there is any other exploit that can be used to get the RCE over the hosted machine. So We have brute force has been done. Directory traversal. We can check this. Auth brute force bypass. No. Backup plugin. Arbitrary file download. Authenticated. Backup plugin. Do we have anything like that? Website. Content. Category user. Documentation profile. Chat support. Let's see. In the content, we have static, sticky, schedule, draft. Blender contains something. By the time it opens, let's check other. Dashboard, nothing. Dashboard. Documentation from the original website. The profile picture, security, we got the token, social network, profile, jitter, nothing. So we have Blender is free, open source, 3D computer graphics tool, software tools are used for creating the animated. Okay, they're talking about that Blender. Got it. So what's next? Dashboard, options, SEO. General category. Dashboard. I think you don't have sufficient permissions. Let's inspect and see if we can tamper with the cookie username. But if I do admin and refresh it, am I admin now? Okay, it's still saying you don't have sufficient permission. Token. Let's identify what all these keys are. Whoa. Show URL decoded. You don't have sufficient permissions. Profile. If I check for the admin, it don't show. Directory traversal, do we have it here? /etc/password. Page not found. content, profile, security. I think it's related to the picture upload. Let's see if we can use, now we have the username and password. If we use MSF console, before giving the exam, I still gonna need a better system. I can't rely on this. Search BLUDIT, enter. It's directory traversal image file upload vulnerability. So we can use this. Use 0. There we go. And show options. Set our hosts as was the IP address. This. Set the target URL. Do we need to specify the URL? Set the target URL. It's going to be this. URI. It's /admin. And port's going to remain the same. Set build it, damn it, complete it, build it, username. User is this, and pass is this. Enter. And we'll with all of this in, we'll go all the way up. Paste. Just need to remove 1 or 2 of this, or like all of this. And we are good to go, and press run. TCP handler. Exploit aborted due to failure of UUID. Okay, let's set the lhost. It's tune 0. Run. No UUID found in admin new content. Dashboard. Where the heck is this? New content. I don't see this new content endpoint. Sorry guys, I'm laying a bit over my back. Okay. What does it say? Due to failure, unknown UUID found in this. Now what is this unknown UUID? Exploit -j. Retrieving UUID. Save. Empty. Cancel. Clear. Run. Again, unknown UUID. No UUID found in this. Interesting. How option? No. Show options. Foo. Exploit target is build it. Proxy, we don't need any proxy. vhost, we already have. SSL, there is no SSL. Our host is correct, username is correct, password is correct. What is not correct is upload image. It's not able to like identify the right path as far as I can see. So we will exit from here. Enter. Clear. Clear all of this too. Now we need to look for the search exploit. BUILD, build it. There we go. This has been done. Directory traversal, image file upload, metasploit. Copy this. Get here, paste it, enter. Rapid path traversal. DVWA. Use exploit, Linux build it. Let's see if this works. MSF console. What's this one? Nah. Paste. PHP interpreter revision. I'm back from destroying my toilet. Got it. I'm trying to like escalate the not escalate but get the RC of the machine, cause that's the only way we can get into the machine. We don't have many ports open. The only port access we have is 80, so either we have to use one of these exploits that are mentioned in here or mentioned over here. Like one of these are going to get us through what we are trying to work around with right now. Account takeover, that's not gonna work because we are on this version. This might work. Greater than, okay, greater than this version, so it won't work on downgraded version. We have this much of the space. Directory traversal is the only option we have right now, so we are trying to leverage that. Show options. We are on the same page again. Let's exit clear and try to find another exploit. Auth 1 has been done. Directory traversal, multiple web app exploit. Oof, what does this do? Create payload.png with PHP payload and the .htaccess to treat.png like PHP. Change hard-coded value URL is your target web app. Username and password is admin card to get to the admin directory. Run the exploit, start the listener, netcat, metaparator, multi-handler, etc. Visit your target web app and open the evil picture. Visit URL plus this endpoint and something will happen. Got it. Remote code execution, file upload, attack and defense. It's for the Pentester Academy. Download the lab manually. Okay, we're gonna need with this. Will it be able to? I don't think. Nope. What about this? RCE, brute force, configure login attempt, POC. Yeah. It's the same stuff. No. This exploit combine this to gain remote shell on the target. Listener IP address, port. Then it's giving the payload into the PHP manner. Like, this is why I say try to learn the coding. Now I'm able to understand what's written over here. I can easily see that what's going on here. So first, this is the payload they're putting. Listening host, that will be given from here, the IP address and the port number from here. Payload is equal to random choice string ACSI uppercase, lowercase from this. So this will create a random name for the file. HTXS is equal to written engine on and written rule. This regex I'm not able to understand. Let's go to next one. Check target. Check is equal to request get target timeout. So it seems it's trying to brute force it. Then no, it's trying to check if the target is up or not. Def main, this function calls the other function and pretty much does everything need to get this exploit running. Okay, that's a pretty weird explanation. Next we have places mentioned over here where it says, oh yes, I remember now, we have the endpoints. Whoa. I'm feeling sleepy. Yes, these endpoints, I wasn't able to check into them previously, but now maybe I'll be able to. Let's go there. Duplicate, paste, enter. We are in, and if I go one directory back, okay, admin, views, block, okay, it's garbage in any manner. Grease, this is empty. What other stuff do we have? Plugins. In the plugin, there is one that I'm most familiar with. Let's see if it's there. API, metadata plugin, backup. What does backup hold? Metadata.json. No. Plugin. No information. This one. I have seen this one on many places. Theme. Mobile. Silver. Same thing. I've seen this plugin on many places before, so maybe we might be able to work around with this. But till then, let's keep checking what this brother is cooking here. BL content /temp, trying to upload the stuff here. Check print if target is live. Okay. If check target is equal to false, target seems to be down, it's gonna terminate the script. But if it's up, it's gonna brute force the username. And if brute force username is equal to n, get username input, what username should I use? Leave this to use admin or username. Then if get username is equal to any string, we're gonna default to admin as username. Sleep, it will pause time, then print password list, enter the location of password list. Hacked password will perform the other actions. Now over here it's gonna create the shell to upload. Payload is equal to payload PHP, payload name, whatever they'll provide, target URL, grab CSRF token. That will be done from the very beginning. There's a payload, there is the file name over here, the upload URL, CSRF token, open the shell, get the username, brute force, same stuff here. What the hell is this logic? And why is this twice here? If get username, does this make any sense to you? If someone is watching, if not, I'm not sure. This is twice here. It's just it doesn't contain the 69 and 70th line here. Other than that, everything seems to be same. Or maybe one or two lines are different. Next we have brute force. Yes, okay, it's a pretty damn big script. Bro is playing over the conditions, which I don't usually do. But let's see what we can work around here. Zoom out. Let's see while we are here. Any new anime? Nothing here. Nothing here too. No, there is one. Oh, two solo leveling. Solo leveling has the second episode. Nice. We'll watch that later. I think I'm pretty tired right now because I've already done the stream for the one of the box that got retired today. And my head is like booming right now. Should I stop? Ouch. What's in the API? Let's see if I can get 3 or 4. We can continue tomorrow, then I'll continue tomorrow. If there isn't any message, then we'll stick for 1 or 1.5 or more. If people enjoy watching, then why not? Cat, cookie. What's in there? Remote code execution. Nothing in the chat, then we'll be continuing then. There we have called the build, content type, array. Thumbnail image. It's the image file upload kind of vulnerability. UUID empty. Post false UUID. The user ID UUID is used as part of image directory path. If the path doesn't exist, then it will be automatically created. Then why this wasn't able to create on the first place? That means the payload we have in the Metasploit is broken. That's the only thing I can conclude here. Else it would have worked, right? And we have this script on the other hand. Let's try this. Rather copy. Let's go to raw. And we'll perform wget, paste, enter, ls. .38701. It's Python 3. A487 no 48701. Enter. And it's broken from the very beginning. Create connection, raise error, socket, connection refused, above exception, whatever the hell. If I have to do all of this, what the hell is this script doing then? Okay, change me, change me. Let's change you. Create me this. What this garbage script is. If you can automate this shit, then why can't you automate this one? Like, it's on just the other hand, right? This is garbage, man. Provide the stuff it's looking for. It's clear. VI 48 or something. Enter. Go all the way down over here. I don't like this kind of stuff when people like try to show something but they can't even show correctly. What? It feels pretty insulting. Yeah. The username. There we go. Paste. Info. Paste. No. Exit. Right, quit, enter. Enter. Got the cookie. Didn't got the image, so bro decided to broke. I hate this kind of scripts. As I can see, nobody's watching. Everyone must be tired. So we'll do stream tomorrow. And I hope I'll be able to get something good, which is actually running, and work that out. So till then, those who was present here, thanks for your support. And those who are watching afterwards, please consider subscribing. Like the video so algorithm like it and more people like you can join the journey. And if they have interest, there will be so much in the future coming. So I'm just getting ready. If I get the support I'm looking for, I'll definitely drop way too much stuff here. Other than that, if you're watching or staying, have a great rest of your day. If it's night, have a great rest of your night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have fun. Bye bye.